you get to be a part of that history where you're discovering something year by year and finding out more about it. And not just about this monument in particular, but about the whole of the Neolithic.
It's been really great. It's kind of nice because some universities with archaeology do like have training sites, whereas this is like an actual live excavation. So you're learning skills and you're training, but you're actually doing it for real. And it's not like artificial. They're not like putting things in the ground for you to find. Like you're finding it, and the supervisors and the staff are being as surprised as you are with certain things. And it can be slow, but it's such a rewarding process. And you really feel a strong sense of camaraderie as well when your peers tell you about what they found in other trenches. It's really cool to see it all come to life and come together.
It's so rare that you get to dig on a monument. It's like, I mean, smaller scale, but it's like being able to discover everything about Stonehenge. It's that like monumental for this part of the world, and it's just unlike anything else that you would ever get to do.
You get to know everybody pretty quick, I think. And so it's a nice community. Everybody's very nice.
Well, just for like coming here, it's like why you'd come here. It's just really beautiful. Like it's just lovely. And even when it's really, really rainy, it's like a very dramatic. But there's just so much archaeology.
I guess I was sort of familiar with long barrows and the sort of Neolithic period, and I knew this was quite a complex site. But to actually see it in the the environment and see what's around it, I think you start to understand why it's here. And it's a beautiful location. I guess if you can have your bones put anywhere, it's not a bad place to start, is it?
For myself, it was really interesting hearing about the entranceways into Arthur's Stone and the possible relationships with the fields behind, and learning a bit more about the passageway that they've been talking about. I realise now I didn't really understand much about it, and really about its linking up possibly with lower down, and it might have been settlements lower down, and the link with that to the water and the Golden Valley. I thought that was really interesting actually, and made a lot of sense, because apart from it just being an obvious vantage point up here with the views, it makes a lot of sense to see it being a settlement down there and all the water, and so it came alive a lot more, I think, don't you?